What's up, everybody, and I'm going to show you how to be awesome. Step 1. Bathe in mud and leaves and tumbleweeds. Oh, yeah. This is nice. Woo! Hard to get out of, too. Monty to the rescue! And now, this is how to be awesome part. Multiple 2. This is my personal favorite. You gotta get a sweet sports car and drive around and pick up some chicks. This is my sweet sports car. Look at this nice interior. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh, extra dog fur. And also get a sick property. Check that engine. Doesn't even turn on, it's so awesome. And parts. Three. I don't know if I said 5 ways, 10 ways. I'm gonna go with 5. Always get stuff from the flea market. Oh, look at this. I got a 6 score for $2. Oh, it even has some seating. It peels right off. It's so valuable. I wonder how much it'd be worth at auction. And always, never have purebred dogs. See that? No, this is an example of what not to have. See this? A disgrace to mankind. Purebreds. Bad. Shun the purebred. And I don't know, this is last. Always have a sick emu. Make sure this emu always looks its best. And always, it's when you make sponges or soap, use cactus. And yeah, make sure you subscribe. And I'm sorry, this is not the best video I've made ever. It's like my 5th video I made, actually. But it is. I can't really do much with it. I don't have any animation, but I'll make some better ones. And make sure to subscribe. Be awesome. Put down some comments of what I should do next. And like. Go to my channel, my YouTube channel, and my Google channel. Check me out. I'm wearing my football gear on my Google channel. I don't know if I am on my YouTube channel, but check me out. Be awesome, and make sure to subscribe for the purebreds.